It is me again, Wapen. In this quick Canva tutorial, I will be sharing with you how you can remove background here in Canva. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to remove the background in your photo, like this photo that I have here on my thumbnail. So I'll stop it there. On my thumbnail, how did I get this photo to get like this? So let's go here. I'm working from this canvas, and this video is actually being recorded. Like, this work that I'm doing is what I do. So we go here, we'll find my video. Okay, upload my video. I'm sorry, upload my photo. And what we're gonna be doing is removing the background in this photo so that it would look like this background here in this photo. Okay, it would look like this. So let's go over here, and first let me tell you, you do need to have the Canva Pro account. So that's one of the pluses of having the Canva Pro account, is that you get to remove your photo background. And we're going to go to edit image right here, and you will see it has the background remover and other effects and elements that you could use on your graphic that you're creating. So we're here to do background remover. So you could see that, like, select the photo. Okay, you can see it's highlighted, and we're gonna click edit image, and we're gonna click on background remover, and that's it right there. Your background is removed. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're gonna try that again now with my logo. So sometimes you make your logo, it does have a background. Okay, so this logo has a white background because, as you can see, it works well with the purple. Now, how can you make your this logo to not have this white background? Again, you could simply click edit image and you remove that, and it is there. So I'd say, ta-da! Oh, ta-da! So that is how you remove the background from your photo. So what will you create in Canva today? Know that whatever you are creating, that you can do it. And will you have hiccups? Yes, you will. But just remember that you can do it. And kindly remember to subscribe to my channel at Rose Dallas now for more cool, funny Canva tutorials, and also to stay tuned for when I go live with Passive Profits Academy, where you will learn how to generate passive profits from home and create multiple streams of income. Thanks for watching, and remember, this is Rose Dallas.